ISO 14001, 2015 environmental management systems, how to, what to do, when to do it, who does it, what's involved, what's the training, what do we need to write, what policies, procedures, what processes do we need. In this video, we're going to be answering the 10 most common questions that we get and Google gets and YouTube gets around ISO 14001, 2015 environmental management systems.
What does it mean to be ISO 14001 certified?
So ISO 14001 certification is all about making an external declaration. So it's a little bit off shot at the moment, but we've got our ISO 14001 logo that's here. That's the global best practice benchmark for an environmental management system in your organization. So what it means to be certified is that somebody else has come in and checked you and worked with you, and it's like going for a test. It's like going for your driver's license test. I'm sure lots of you can drive, but you need to go to somebody external to get checked and approved. And what happens with ISO 14001 certification is that you apply to a certification company or an auditing company, and they'll come and do an environmental audit of your organization. They'll give you some recommendations, and once you've closed off those recommendations, you can then declare that you've got an environmental management system in place. That might be something that's interesting to some of your customers. It might be interesting to some of your stakeholders or regulators. If you're working in an industry that maybe creates a bit of pollution, they like to see that you're working on processes to be minimizing the amount of pollution you make each year and getting better over time. So making that external declaration you've got an environmental management system in place is important. In different countries, it's called different things. Here in Australia, we call it certification or environmental certification. In some countries, it's called environmental accreditation. In North America, it's called a registrar or a registration. That's what we do here at Best Practice. That's our core business, or one of our core businesses, is helping organizations to attain that certification. And we are a registrar. We're a certification company or a registrar or an accreditation organization where we can give you that accreditation to that international